Hello everyone, welcome to the question number 8. Nth note from end of the linked list from the topic linked list of Geek for Geeks most read coding questions. Have a quick look at this question. I will be discussing the approach soon. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any extra email IDs, please use those IDs. It will be very helpful for our channel to grow. And also, if you have any doubts, don't forget to leave a comment below where you are facing any problem. If you have understood the question, give a like and say yes in the comment box. Now let's go to the approach. Now here, coming to the approach, let's understand the question first before approaching. Understand the question here. So nth node from end of the linked list here. This is the question that we have. What is happening in this question is that there is a linked list given and they will give a value that is from the nth side, right? N equal to 2 means here from the reverse order we have to know what is the position, right? This is first position in the reverse order and this is second position in the reverse order, but we have to return the output of this position. This is basically the understanding of question. We have to return the output of this particular position which has a value 8, and as you can see that is our output here. How will we do that? One method is to just iterate through the whole linked list and take a variable as count to equal to 1. Or let's just say C now. C was initially what? 1 here at the head position, it was 1, right? So we have to count, right? If you count till we get the address none after repeating, and it will go till where the address is none and it will come out of the loop. So how many we have positions? Total we have 9 values here. So we have 9 values. That is the answer we got using the count. C will be equal to 9 at the end of the loop, right? C will be equal to 9. So now what is the advantage of that? Because already we know that n equal to 2, right? Now we also know the total. Now if you carefully see, if you do 9 minus 2 here, 9 minus 2, what we will get? We'll get 7. And this 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Now count the arrows here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 arrows. 7 arrows is pointing towards the 8th value here, right? Now we can use the same number in the for loop and we can iterate in the linked list again from the start. Just iterate again from the start and only till the 7th value we iterate. Like 7 times we move forward saying dot next, dot next, dot next. And we reach at this arrow point, right? At the end we will reach at this arrow point and we will be exiting out of that loop and we'll simply say return the data. So let's call this linked list, let's call this head here, head dot data, right? We are iterating the from the head position and the head position will be at this point because we are reinitializing head equal to head dot next in the for loop here. So after 7 times running through it, we'll reach this arrow. So at this arrow the data is 8 here, so we just have to return the data by simply saying return dot data. So that is the approach to this question, and I hope you have also understood the meaning of the question and how to approach it. If you still haven't understood, let's continue to our coding part, and I hope that you will be having much better idea after seeing the code. Let's go to the coding section to Geek for Geeks now. Now we are inside the coding section of the Geek for Geeks, and you can have a look here. We are initializing head variable with current value, and we're using current value for iterating one time, and another time we can iterate directly head here because we don't have any other purpose later. So in the first current we have iterated and taken the count value here. Now we got the value count, that is fine, but what if the value of count is greater than the n value that they have told? That means the node doesn't exist, right? The node doesn't exist if n is exceeding the count value, right? Suppose this is it has total count of 9 if you can observe. Now if you get 10 here, that means it's not there. There is no value for that. Here also you can see we have 4 positions here, but n is equal to 5 and we got the output -1 here. So that's what we did. We are checking the count and n value here. We return -1 if n is greater than the count value. And another else part we are doing is we are iterating count -n. We will get the position from the left side of the linked list, and we are iterating till that part, and we are initializing head equal to head dot next every time, and at the last part it will reach a certain address of that linked list where we want to get the data. So at that point it will come out of the loop and we simply have to return the data at that address. So this is the approach to the question. I hope you have understood the question. If you like the video, please give us a like, and if you have any extra email IDs for your YouTube account, please do subscribe with all those IDs, and we need your continuous support for our channel to grow. And thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another question.